I'd say one that works. It's probably a good start. Provides heat when you want it. There's a variety of brands out there. There might be 25, 30 different brands of furnaces out there. They range, at the low end, maybe a couple $1,000s, and the high end could be over $6,000 installed. Interestingly enough, a lot of these furnaces are made by a very, very few manufacturing companies. So even though there's 25 different brands, really there's only 3 to 5 manufacturers, and what they do is they put different names, different labels on the same furnace. As for the best brand, I can't really say. From my 30 years of experience, some of the high-end $6,000, $7,000, $8,000 furnaces, we've replaced as many of those as we have with the $3,000 furnaces. I mean, just because it's a big name brand, Carrier, Lennox, doesn't mean it's going to be necessarily better, but to make your furnace last, back to the beginning, regular maintenance, service, get somebody experienced and licensed to check it out, pull the thing apart, clean it, take care of it, and it'll give you many, many years of good quality service. Good question. If you see any water around your furnace, any drips or signs of drippage or puddles around your furnace, all the new furnaces are considered high efficiency. And what that means is, in order to provide extra heat, the water vapor and the fuel condenses inside the furnace. And that process of condensation puts more heat out into your furnace and increases the efficiency. So if you've got water around your furnace, that means either you've got a leak in your condensation system, or more likely you've got a backup or a plug. So what happens is the condensate, it's vitally important for that condensate to get away from the furnace, out into a drain or into a pump, into a sink or something. And if it can't get up, it backs up into the furnace and leaks out spots it's not supposed to. If you see puddles around your furnace, it's a major source of concern. Give your heating provider, your heating tech, a call right away to check things out. Another issue is, this is kind of as a result of poor condensation evacuation, the condensate not leaving the furnace properly, is as it backs up into the furnace, it can rot certain heat exchange portions. If you go outside your plastic vent, your exhaust vent, and you smell a weird odor, kind of almost like a propane gas, sweet, sour smell coming out of the exhaust, that is a sure sign of a fairly major problem in your furnace, and call your heating provider right away if that happens. Well, one rebate that's still available is the Save on Energy rebate of $250 if you get a furnace with something called an ECM motor, and that's electrocommutative motor, something or other like that. ECM. What it is it's a high efficiency motor, and it uses about 30% of the hydro, give or take, of a normal motor. Ontario Hydro has a $250 rebate they have for the last couple of years. Can't say how long that rebate's going to last, but $250 is better than a kick in the head with a frozen boot.